Hello, everybody. Hello. It is Jennifer, and I wanted to make a quick video to advertise to you and promote the upcoming retreat in a box. So this is summer. This event is happening in August, so it's a summer retreat. And if you're unfamiliar with my retreats in a box, there is a live retreat, a 3-day weekend that goes along with these. They typically are sold out, which the one in August is. Side note, make sure you join. I will put a link down here in the video. Join my retreat Facebook group that I have with April McCright, so you can know about our upcoming retreats when we have spots and stuff, and join my email list for that as well. Anyway, so there's an in-person component, and then I offer it to go for those who aren't local, just don't want to attend, or cannot attend. And so that's the retreat in a box. And this time for summer, our summer retreat, we are using the awesome Charming Day bundle, which does include a set of dies for our make and takes. And I'm using the With You in Mind also for a few of the words in these cards, as you can see, or projects, I should say. So Charming Day, you can add this bundle on when you register. You can add on the stamp set when you register if you need them. You will need those items to complete your projects. We cut, die cut, punch, and emboss anything that's not part of the featured bundles. So we'll be die cutting certain things for you, and you will die cut the rest, if that makes sense. And we'll emboss anything that is embossed. Okay, so the retreat includes not only 10 or more make and takes, and I've designed 9. I have 1 more to go. I just haven't had time to actually stamp it and put it together. I think it's going to be a card, but actually I think it's going to be a gift bag. I forgot. I found a cute gift bag I want to do. But anyway, it'll be something. And these are the other make and takes from this retreat. You will get your full PDF tutorial, which, by the way, if you want to purchase the PDF tutorial only, you can. And that is, anyone in the world can purchase the tutorial. Anyone in the US can purchase the retreat, the actual projects like you're seeing here. Again, you will need to own the featured bundle dies, and then we will die cut and emboss anything else not part of the feature, like these arches, for example. And you'll have that PDF. So we do cards, we do scrapbook pages. Look how cute. And we do a sampler. Oh, didn't know it was sideways. So all of these projects are included, but not only that, you're going to get a bag. We always do cute bags, but we are not like those other girls that plan months and months in advance. April and I are very busy. And so we always get it done, but we're still researching what bag we're going to give you this time. But you get a retreat bag, you get gifts. We do have some of our gifts purchased, but nothing is wrapped and decorated yet, so I don't have a sneak peek of those. And of course your PDF tutorial and all of the fun of doing this at home, at your leisure, whenever you want. It's a PDF tutorial to complete your project, so you don't have to be present at a certain time. You can complete it whenever you like. You can get together with your friends and do it. So invite a friend to sign up for it, and you guys can set a day or two aside to get together at someone's place or a location you have and do your projects. Okay, so that is the retreat. Now, within this retreat, we offer 2 optional add-on classes, and you can just take the classes only. As a side note, you don't have to add those with the retreat. So my class is a Stamp-A-Stack, 8 cards, 4 designs, 2 of each, for Christmas using the Jar of Joy bundle. So this is it's not a bundle, actually, that's a lie. This is the stamp set, and this is the punch, which you can add on when you register if you need those. The punch is bundled, it is a bundle with this stamp set, Sweet Jar. So you'll save 10% if you get this bundle and then purchase the stamp set. So you can do that as well, or you can add these on when you register. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I should be able to help you. So that is my class. Now that is 8 cards, 4 designs, 2 of each. You're getting over $35 in merchandise in this class, and it's only $45. So it's an incredible deal. The cards are basically free. And then April's class is the same as far as quantity of projects. It's a Stamp-A-Stack, 8 cards, 4 designs, 2 of each. And she will use the Gallery Blooms and Beautiful Motifs bundles. Again, neither one of us have designed these yet. Did I say that? Due to time, but we will get them designed, obviously, and they'll be awesome. And you will need these bundles to complete your cards from April's designs. And then she will cut, die cut, punch, and emboss anything else not part of the feature, which this one's just the punch. So anything outside of the punch, I'm going to be die cutting and embossing for you on my class. So those are your options. Her class is the same exact pricing. $45 includes over $35 in merch. By the way, I forgot to mention the retreat includes over $50 in merchandise that you will use to complete your projects. You will cut up your own designer paper on either one, and we cut everything else for you. And it's just going to be awesome. So to recap, you can take retreat only, retreat in a box, for pickup or mailed. You can take her class only, my class only, or you can mix and match any way you want. You can you can purchase the tutorial only for all 3. Or if you just take the retreat, some people like to add on the tutorials only for the 2 classes, and that's an option as well. So we have lots of options for you. You're going to get some awesome gifts, and you're just really not going to regret getting the retreat in a box. So Charming Day is your bundle that we're using for this retreat. We hope you'll join us. Your deadline to register, I'm finding it on my notes over here, is this Sunday, July 27th, and the kits will be ready and or mailed by August 15th at the latest. So if you do have any questions, let me know or leave a comment in this video. I hope to see you in this retreat in a box. I'm going to help you get ready for your Christmas cards over here on this class, and you're just going to make some gorgeous projects with this gorgeous Charming Day bundle. All right, everyone have a great day. I will see you later. Bye.